showing them I don't have eye protection on. There's an exposed blade. At least it's not metal, it's plastic.
What are you making?
It's a visor for the rock guard right in front of the cockpit, in front of the steering wheel. Found this old decal protector from one of my go-karts back
Years and years ago.
almost 20 years ago.
And I am over here packing some wheel bearings. So yeah.
Check it out, Evan. Does it look professional?
Oh yeah, you barely can see it on camera.
It's a lot thinner than the old one. It should hold up better.
Let's hope.
Free. I like free. Lucy. Is that a duck?
Has he pooped yet?
That's Scarlet.
Not if he pooped on me.
Lucy's not so sure of this. Come here, Barry. Look.
Lucy ate your.
What do you think, Lucy? She's scared of this duck.
She's scared of the tiny
Nose to
duck.
nose. In shock. Lucy's not sure about ducks. Little ducklings. Alright, so we got all those hubs, wheel bearings packed. And it's Sunday night. Wanted to give you an update on our race shop. Father-in-law Dave's been out here painting. The walls are painted white. And when he got done painting today, he built this workbench. So there's the first item coming out into the race shop. Pretty solid oak plywood top. And he's painted the backs of the steps. I'm gonna paint the steps another color. But upstairs is all painted white. We don't have lights upstairs yet. Soon though. We got power in all our outlets down here. Just gotta, next step is to do some trim boards around the bottom, around the base. Those will be painted as well. So there's your shop updates coming along. We need a heat source out here. So that's the next step. Once we get heat, we'll be able to start moving race stuff out here. So man-child packed all the wheel bearings, and I brought the hubs back up here, set them on the ground by the car. The rear end is back together. We got a new seal in the pinion, got a new seal on the right side axle tube. Everything's straight, back together. So that's ready to go back under the car. Pretty much ready to start going back together. So ordered a bunch of parts. New roof, Heims, all that jazz, all that boring stuff that's got to go into the car in the off season when you're rebuilding. You might as well do it. But that's not very exciting. Exciting stuff's racing. Since we went to Florida and took in some racing in nice weather, I'm getting an itch to start racing. So we better get busy, get this thing done, get it to where it's looking nice, get the body on it. The motor is going to be on a dyno next week, Clement said. So hopefully we'll get that back here pretty quick. And hopefully get out of this crammed garage and over in a new race shop. It's pretty exciting.
Hey Oliver, what are we doing?
I don't know. We're going down to the shop to paint Evan's windows.
Because he's a senior, right? So we're gonna put man-child on there. So we gotta sneak down there while he's working. What do you want to put on there, Scarlett? No, what was the other thing you said? Say it louder to the camera.
No.
Lillian, tell what she said.
Honk if you think I'm a loser. No, honk I'm a loser.
So you gotta get mad. Make mullets great again. Who are you drawing?
Me.
You're drawing yourself? Okay.
Where's your hair?
Gotta make your hair.
Where's your mohawk?
Oh, what's that?
Heels.
Your ears. Okay, I like them. What about this? Can we make you spiky hair like this?
Ooh, I have one for you.
Where's your belly button?
But he has clothes.
There you got it.
Perfect. All right. So what are you working on?
I couldn't tell you what these are, but we gotta press these pins out and put new pins in.
How
And-
are you?
And you have the real boss man here.
Yes.
Norb's here with you.
Oh yeah, he's showing me what to do.
He'll keep you in line.
Yes, he will.
Here comes Evan. We'll see if he's mad that we painted his windows.
Someone vandalized my car.
You're happy about it, aren't ya?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. What do you think?
I don't know about you.
Senior! You're only a senior once.
Did you make it like?
We hope.
Yeah, we hope.
Come look at this side. Look at Oliver's picture.
I saw that.
He says it's him.
Oh, well, that's good.
See his hair?
Yeah.
Then his belly button.
No, I walked out the shop door and I saw stuff in my car. I'm like, what is that? I got closer. I'm like, who wrote that on there? I don't remember it at school. And then I'm like, Amber and the girls are down there. Oh boy.
You didn't even bust us. You were too busy working.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you didn't catch it on Marco Polo. I put it on Marco Polo.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's why you. Oh.
As long as you're not mad.
No, I don't care. I don't care.
We can go show what Dad's doing in the race shop. Nice and bright. You need your sunglasses.
It is bright. I don't know. Is it much brighter than other lights? I don't know.
Yeah.
3 times as bright as yellow lights.
Dad's mopping in
Checked
here.
it with the meter or whatever, and it said it's 3 times brighter.
Upstairs lights in.
All right. We got a package from Adrian, Michigan. Nothing good comes from Michigan. So I believe what's in this package is from a cheater. And we may or may not have mentioned him in a couple videos ago that he had one of our wrenches. And I believe, do we know what's in here?
I think I
What is in here?
know. Wrench!
A wrench? Yeah, I think there's a wrench in here too. How are we gonna open this thing?
Ew, I
Look at all this stuff that's in here.
got it.
All these stickers they give you at the big shows. The kids like stickers. I don't.
I love stickers!
They think they're so funny, don't they? They have like a smiley face on there. You know what, bro? I think we should get a knife.
No.
Oh! We were right, Evan.
Yep.
There's Oliver. Look what we found.
No.
Thanks, Devin. Appreciate it.
She'll give it back, huh?
You did.
Oliver, what is this?
What's Evan doing?
Please.
Why does he have a monkey?
For my birthday party.
For your birthday party. Here, hold up the shirt I made you. So they can see your cool shirt. Birthday boy, can you turn it around?
Evan talks so quiet.
You gotta talk louder.
No.
Louder for the microphone.
Do you want me to eat it? Ah.
You like to eat random things.
How can you turn everything around on me? Like, it's just so simple.
Evan, your shirt's dirty.
Yeah, that it is. Someone's on it out there.
Somehow, when Evan comes to work every day, he's filthy when he leaves.
I just work hard.
But he doesn't do a lot of work.
I said mine first, so it doesn't count.
Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you watching. We got limited merch. We're clearing out on the website, ryanmissler.com. So if there's anything on there that you guys want, go check it out. And we're going to be getting new stuff here pretty quick. Thanks, everybody. See ya.